Hang on, I'm pointing at the wrong button.
Three, two, one. That one was good, wasn't it?
You know,
I've
I've
got
got next time.
that rolled up, but it's sort of gone off good. Oh, swan's approaching. Swan approaching. It can climb out now. But it's not that long. That's further across the side of the Cornwall.
As dozens of regular visitors to Polruan and others who have now made their home in the village have written, Tommy Turner was the first person in the village they really got to know. Letter after letter spoke of how welcoming he was and of how helpful and how kind, even years ago when the village as a whole tended to regard strangers with suspicion. A very friendly person and so knowledgeable you could ask him about anything. Born and bred in West Street, Polruan, in the house opposite the cottage stores, which was once a pub, Tommy and Phyllis, his wife-to-be, grew up together in the village. Tommy attending Polruan Boys' School and Phyllis the girls' school. They married when Phyllis was 24 and Tommy was 26. After leaving school, Tommy served his apprenticeship as a marine engineer at Brazen Island and spent the war years repairing ships' engines. After the war, he became chief engineer on the dredger Tregeagle. His work taking him to Penzance, Newlyn, Weymouth, Plymouth Island and Port Talbot in Wales, where he was working when one of his daughters was born. For the final 24 years of his life, Tommy delivered the village's weekly and Sunday newspapers, plus all the magazines, annuals and calendars. Everything really, short of running a newsagent's shop, said Phyllis. Never idly combined this with working part-time for the local council. Tommy's left behind him not only a house, Tommy's in West Street, a former boat shed where Tommy used to repair boat engines, but a racehorse called Monday Club, named after a group of friends of Tommy's who used to gather together on Monday to savour the best known byproduct of the apple. We'll be back.